Hello everybody and welcome to another video by Trendi. Today here we have the ART SS29 in orange. That's one two-way and one intermediate. Alright, so let's take a look at it here. Okay, on the back here you'll have our product code here, so the ART SS29 in orange. At the top left here, you'll have the QR code. You can scan that and it'll take you straight to our website so you can see all of our different products. There's the barcode there. Also, if you flip it around, you'll notice that they have the recycling symbol on the back here so that you know that this packaging is completely recyclable. Okay, so let's get on into this and open this up. Okay, so inside is your part. You have a set of screws which will fit into any pattress box, and it also comes with an instruction leaflet. Here on the back it comes with a phone number, an email or live messenger, any ways you can contact us. Here at the bottom is another QR code. You scan that, it'll take you to our instructional page, which will just give you a bunch of tips and tricks on how to install them. On the front here is our socials. We're on all these platforms, so if you want to head on over to any one of these, give us a like or a follow. That would be greatly appreciated. All right, so let's take a look at our part again. Okay, so we'll do a quick 360 turn here. Okay. We'll take the plate off. Those holes there is where you put your screws into, and you'll fasten that into your pattress box. These modules are also interchangeable, so if you buy the 2.9 and you want to switch it to a 9.9, you can do that as well. Okay, on the back here is where you'll see the main difference here. Okay, so this is your two-way, and you can notice that it has 3 holes there. Okay, and then on the left is your intermediate, and it has 4 holes there. The biggest difference is if you want to control your light from 3 different points, you'll get the intermediate, or the 2. If you need to control it from 2 separate spots, you get the two-way here. Okay, and that's basically it. If you guys like that video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you can stay updated with everything trendy. Also, like and leave a comment for what you'd like us to do next. Thanks, and have a trendy day.